Yes. Yesterday we have done question number 1 of exercise 2.4. Now today we are doing question number 2. Find the reciprocal. Yes. Yesterday we have learned what is the reciprocal, how do we get the reciprocal of the number. So in this question we have to apply our knowledge here. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocal as a proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. So let us begin. Yes. So here question number 1. We will take question number 1. Reciprocal of 3 by 7. Reciprocal of 3 by 7. What do? We interchange the numerator and denominator. आपस में एक दूसरे से बदल देते हैं numerator denominator को. And yes, 7 by 3. We will get the 7 by 3. Now, which type of fraction is this? Reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7 is 7 by 3 and 7 by 3 is which type of fraction? This is a improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. Here you can see numerator is greater than denominator. Implies that this is a improper fraction. 7 by 3 is a improper fraction. 7 by 3 is a improper fraction. Now, let us see the another example. Reciprocal of 9 by 7. This is third question we are doing. Reciprocal of 9 by 7. Reciprocal of 9 by 7 will be 7 by 9. We will interchange the numerator and denominator to get the reciprocal. Now, 7 by 9. Which type of number is this? This is a proper fraction or improper fraction? This is a proper fraction. We know in proper fraction, numerator is smaller than denominator. In proper fraction, what happened? In proper fraction, numerator is smaller than denominator. So this is a 7 by 9 is a proper fraction. So reciprocal, how do we get reciprocal? मैंने आपको कल बताया था reciprocal of 1 by 11. Let us see the 7th question. Reciprocal of 1 by 11. Reciprocal of 1 by 11. 1 by 11 is equal to 11 by 1. Which type of number is this? Whole number, fractional number, proper fraction, improper fraction. 11 by 1 is equal to 11. So this is a whole number. 11 is a whole number. So I hope you have understood how do we find the reciprocal. Reciprocal A upon B का reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? B by A. So what do? To find the reciprocal, we interchange the numerator by denominator. We interchange the numerator and denominator. Interchange का मतलब होता है आपस में बदल देना. Interchange the numerator and denominator. चलिए, in this way remaining question you have to do in your homework. So which one you will do in your homework? Second one I am marking here. You can see here this third we have done. Fourth, fifth and sixth you will do in your homework. These are the होमवर्क सेकंड, यहाँ पे आप साइड बाय साइड होमवर्क भी देखते जाएंगे. सेकंड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ, ये all these questions are your homework. Second and fourth, fifth and sixth, this is your homework. Let us move to the next question. Now find. Here you can see, yesterday we have learned that, in the previous class we have learned division of a fraction by a whole number. Division of a fraction by a whole number. So find that. So we have to divide. That means first question, 7 by 3 divided by 2 means 7 by 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2. This is 2 by 1. So when you replace the division sign by multiplication sign, we will take the reciprocal of the second fraction. ये जो आपका 2 by 1 है, इसका रेसिप्रोकल आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. डिवीजन मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय reciprocal. Division equal to the multiplication of reciprocal. So 7 by 3 into 1 by 2 which is equal to 7 upon 6. कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 7 1 जा 7, देखिए आप, 7 1 जा 7 और 3 2 जा 6. So answer is 7 by 6. Now second वाला क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. सेकंड क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. Let us take the next question. 4 by 9 divided by 5. Again the 5 can be written as 5 by 1. अब देखिए 4 by 9, when you replace the division by multiplication, division is equal to the multiplication by reciprocal. Reciprocal is 5 by 1 का reciprocal होगा 1 by 5. So division of a number by a whole number, that means multiplication by its reciprocal. We can say the division is equal to the multiplication by reciprocal. So either you can divide or you can multiply by the reciprocal. Both are same. So in this way we are getting 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 9 5s are 45. So 4 upon 45. In this way we can get the answer. Now let us see the next question. Fourth question देखते हैं. 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. Here again, first of all, there is a mixed fraction. Whenever the mixed fraction comes, always converted into the improper fraction. So I have told you how to convert. Multiply 4 and 3 plus 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. ये आपने मिक्स फ्रैक्शन का इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन बनाने के लिए ये तरीका करते हैं आप. क्यू आर बाई डी के फॉर्म में होता है. ये क्यू आर बाई डी होता है. जब इसको आप मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में करते हैं, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, तो क्यू इंटू डी प्लस आर अपॉन डी. यहाँ पे देखिए क्यू इंटू डी, दैट मीन्स 4 इंटू 3 प्लस रिमाइंडर, दैट मीन्स प्लस 1. सो देखिए 4 1 by 3, 4 1 by 3 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 4 इंटू 3 प्लस 1 अपॉन 3, दैट इज 4 3s are 12. बॉड मास के अकॉर्डिंग पहले आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 12 प्लस 1 by 3, दैट इज 13 by 3. सो हियर आफ्टर द कन्वर्जन ऑफ, माइक स्विच ऑफ कीजिए जिसका भी माइक ऑन है. 4 3s are 12 प्लस 1, दैट इज 13 plus 3 divided by 3. Now the division is equal to the multiplication by reciprocal. So division sign को आप multiplication में convert कर रहे हैं, then you will take the reciprocal of 3. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Division means multiplication by reciprocal. So whatever you get, what will you get? 13 1s are 13, 2 3s are 6. We will get 13 by 6. So in this way you have to solve the remaining problems. That is question number 3rd, 5th and 6th. These are your homework, or you have to do all the question in your copy like classwork, homework and homework. Let us move to the next question. Find this. Okay. Again, this is a division. Same question is there, no problem. Let us move to the next question. Question number 4. Find this, मतलब division by division, division of a fraction by division. You can see here the division of a fraction by division. Division of a fraction by a fraction. So let us solve the first question. 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Here again I will like to tell you that 2 by 5, when you remove the division sign, you will take the multiplication sign and you will take the reciprocal of 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Division by a fraction, that means multiplication by reciprocal. आप ये इसको अच्छे से ध्यान में रख लीजिए. डिवीजन बाय अ फ्रैक्शन और डिवीजन बाय अ नंबर, कहाँ लिखूंगा इसको, division by a number, division by a number or a by a number or a fraction, by a number or a fraction is equal to multiplication of reciprocal. Multiplication by its reciprocal, by its reciprocal. चलिए, आप किसी नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं, वो किसके इक्वल होता है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय इट्स रेसिप्रोकल. तो यहाँ पे डिवीजन को हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज किया. यहाँ पे आप देखिए डिवीजन साइन है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम ले रहे हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आप देखिए डिवीजन साइन था, इसको हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट किया. तो हम रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे 1 by 2 का. 1 by 2 का रेसिप्रोकल होगा 2 by 1. इसको जब हम आगे सॉल्व करेंगे तो 2 into 2 by 5 into 1, that is equal to 4 upon 5. So in this way we have to solve this. Again we take the another question. Question number 4 we are doing. Question number 4 we are doing here. Question number 4, fourth. Here 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. That means this is a mixed fraction. So first of all we will convert it into the improper fraction. Then we will divide. So what will be the conversion? 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 by 3. अब बाकी का फ्रैक्शन जैसा का तैसा ही रहेगा. इसको आप आगे चेंज नहीं करेंगे. इसको जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 2 3s are 6. पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा देन एडिशन होगा. बीच में नहीं बोलिए. 6 plus 1 by 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 by 5. और इसको आप आगे करेंगे तब आपको क्या मिलेगा? आप इस तरह से नहीं कीजिए, आप एक के नीचे एक करिए, नहीं तो क्योंकि यहाँ पे जगह का प्रॉब्लम है इसलिए मैं इस तरह से कर रही हूँ. आप जैसा सॉल्व करते हैं नॉर्मली आप वैसे सॉल्व कीजिए. तो 6 plus 1 कितना हुआ? 7. 7 by 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 by 5. सो यहाँ पे आप 7 by 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 by 5 कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स 7 by 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 by 3. Division will be converted into the multiplication and you will take the reciprocal of the second fraction. That means multiplication by reciprocal. Division of a fraction is equal to the multiplication by its reciprocal. इसीलिए आपने इसको उल्टा कर दिया, फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. अब क्या हो जाएगा इसकी वैल्यू? 7 into 5, 7 5s are 35 upon 3 3s are 9. कैंसिलेशन नहीं हो रहा, सिंप्लीफिकेशन नहीं होगा. 35 by 9 इसका आंसर मिलेगा. चलिए अभी हम एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं इसका. 7th क्वेश्चन देखिए किस तरह से करना है. मैं आपको बार बार बता दे रही हूँ, जो भी क्वेश्चन मैं नहीं करा रही हूँ, दिस इज फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस. सो यू हैव टू डू इट योरसेल्फ. 3 1 by 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 2 by 3. देखिए दोनों फ्रैक्शन यहाँ पे इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. डिवीजन ऑफ अ फ्रैक्शन बाय फ्रैक्शन, बट बोथ द फ्रैक्शंस आर इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. So it's mixed fraction. So first of all both the fraction will be converted into the improper fraction. Same way आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर 3 1/5 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 3 1/5 will be equal to the 3 5s are 15, 3 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5 and divided by सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन का इसको भी इम्प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या बनेगा 3 1s are 3 plus 2 divided by 3 that is अब इसको फिर से आप करेंगे तो पहले ये डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई होगा, बॉडमास के अकॉर्डिंग मल्टीप्लीकेशन पहले होगा देन एडिशन होगा। क्या होता है देखिए आप, बॉडमास BODMAS बॉडमास, तो डिवीजन पहले मल्टीप्लीकेशन है देन एडिशन है तो पहले मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा 15 plus 1 16, 16/5 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, पहले आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 3 1s are 3 then you will divide, then you will add, तो 5 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5 divided by 3 now which is equal to the, अब देखिए डिवीजन ऑफ अ फ्रैक्शन बाय डिवीजन ऑफ अ फ्रैक्शन हो गया, नॉर्मल फ्रैक्शंस आ गए, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस है, दोनों इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है, इनका डिवीजन कैसे करना है देखिए 16/5 will be written as it is, now division by 5/3 which is equal to the multiplication by 3/5, you will take the reciprocal when you will convert the division into multiplication. Division means multiplication by its reciprocal. Division means multiplication by its reciprocal. So when you will solve, what will you get? In here it cannot be simplified further. So for 16 3s are 48 upon 5 5s are 25. So this is your answer. So in this class only that much we will learn. If you have any doubt regarding this then you can ask how to multiply, how to divide. So let us discuss something here. One more question I am going to tell you. Okay, let us solve this 8th one. Question number 4th, 8th हम सब solve करते हैं. 2 1/5 divided by 1 1/5. So what we have to do here? Simply both the fractions are mixed fractions. So first of all convert them into the improper fraction. Mixed fraction always converted into the improper fraction. आप ये ध्यान रखिए, mixed fraction are always converted So let us first convert them into the improper fraction. So 5 2s are 10 plus 1 divided by 5 divided by 5 1s are 5 plus 6, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 by 5 which is equal to the 11/5 divided by 6/5 और इसको आप लिख सकते हैं 11/5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5/6. 5 से 5 कैंसिल होगा, योर आंसर विल बी 11/6. सो हियर in this video only that much we will learn. So let us discuss something.